In this class, we are going to look at how to create a custom object. So oftentimes you will be required to create custom objects so that programs can check this custom object for certain authorizations. So the transaction you need to go for is SU21. SU21. The first thing we create is authorization group. Authorization group is nothing but like a folder which lets you know the custom object belongs to this particular functional area. So since we are create custom object which is for either put it in a regular functional area or we can just create our own. So let's create our one custom object our own. So you can need to click on this button. So we click on this button, click on object class. That way you can classify the custom object to a specific class which belongs to the company. So you need to start with Z. Let's say ZXYZ company, right? If your company name is ZXYZ. So let's give title and hit save. So it will ask for a transport request. So if your company has a transport package, please specify that and then it will create a transport request for you. For now I'm just going to click local. Okay, so now I have my custom object class. So which means tells me that this object belongs to our own custom object class. So I click on it. Now I click on create authorization object. So I just need to name the object. So based on your company's requirement, you can name whatever you want. So I'm just going to name just 13. So give a proper title. So now we need to specify what kind of fields we want in this custom object. So I'm going to say activity. I'm going to say company code. I'm going to say plant. Hit enter. So now we want to set the permitted activities. So what kind of activity you want for activity group, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Right? Click on activity. It will ask for a request name. So one thing you need to note down is when it asks for a object request, it's already saved this object. Right? It already saves this object, local object. So it says permitted activities. So now it shows me what are the different options are. Let's say I want only lock and post for this. So I'm just going to save. So since when you create a request, this object has been saved. So if you hit save, it's going to say the object already exists. Okay, so that's what it says. That's fine. Just close it. Now we are going to just go to the group and make sure the object is existing. So you click on here. So you click here, double click here, so you have the object available. Now I'm going to insert this object into a role. I'm going to just PFCG. So DC test. The role. Authorizations. Change. So I'm going to manually insert Z test 13. Came in. So I'm going to see what are the parameter values. So I only have 10 and 05. Okay. Okay. So now we have the custom objects required.